Prime Day 2026 is already delivering some of the biggest discounts we've seen all year. And surprisingly, many of these deals are even cheaper than their Black Friday prices. From top-rated tech and home essentials to kitchen gadgets and everyday favorites, savvy shoppers can score record-low prices without waiting until the holiday season. We've rounded up 25 early Prime Day deals that offer exceptional value, limited time savings, and some of the lowest prices we've tracked so far this year. Shark PowerDetect 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop was $999, now $599. Our Shark PowerDetect 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop review was hugely positive. While this model struggled to get loose debris on long carpets in our tests, it's otherwise a device that you can just set and forget. It automatically scans both dirt and obstacles, providing powerful cleaning performance for up to a month without you needing to refill it. Nespresso Vertuo Lattissima was $529, now $299 at Amazon. We gave this device a perfect score of 5/5 stars in our Nespresso Vertuo Lattissima review and said, "You'll struggle to do better. It looks stylish, is easy to use and clean, and makes delicious drinks." Blueair Blue Signature Air Purifier was $449, now $337 at Amazon. The Blueair Blue Signature Air Purifier was a clear winner in our tests, thanks to its efficiency in large spaces and high clean air delivery rate, CRDR, in terms of dust, smoke, and pollen. There are plenty of handy settings, and this device is Wi-Fi enabled. Plus, the design even doubles up as a coffee table. DeLonghi's Stilosa Espresso machine was $149, now $99. We couldn't believe just how good this machine was when we tested it. In our 4-star DeLonghi Stilosa review, we said, "With a bit of experimentation and dedication, there's no reason why you can't be pulling consistently delicious shots on the Stilosa." Ninja BlendBOSS blender was $129, now $109 at Amazon. The Ninja BlendBOSS is one of the best personal blenders we've used. In our Ninja BlendBOSS review, we said the editor's choice blender is great at everything from making hummus to lump-free smoothies. It's compact, comes in a range of colors, and it's simply the best personal blender you can buy at this price point. Ring Stick-Up Cam was $79, now $39 at Amazon. If you don't need a spotlight or a floodlight, the Stick-Up Cam is a cheaper way to monitor the outside of your house. It features 1080 pixel video and two-way talk. This deal is available for both the plug-in and the battery-powered model. Hisense 55-inch U65QF 4K Mini LED TV was $549, now $397 at Amazon. Prices could certainly change between now and next weekend, but I'm willing to bet you won't find a 55-inch Mini LED TV for less this Prime Day. This TV's best feature is its backlighting, as Mini LEDs aren't easy to come by AT&T this price. It's also one of the brightest TVs we've tested in its class, making it a great pick for people who do a fair amount of viewing during the day. It comes with Amazon's Fire TV Smart Platform, which works with select Alexa-integrated devices you might have at home. Roku 65-inch Select 4K TV was $449, now $399 at Amazon. This 65-inch Roku TV 2026 is an excellent TV for small budgets. It provides a bright 4K picture, Apple AirPlay support, Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant support, and 3 HDMI ports. Made by Roku, this TV also features Roku's platform for all your streaming needs. Insignia 85-inch QF4K Fire TV was $1,099, now $659 at Amazon. Who says TVs have to cost a fortune? This 85-inch Insignia TV offers impressive image quality no matter what you're watching. Thanks to its built-in Fire TV features, you can also stream all your favorite shows and movies and control them with your voice thanks to full Alexa support. Also, an 85-inch TV at this price point is pretty unheard of this time of the year. Samsung 55-inch S85 F4K OLED TV was $1,399, now $897 at Amazon. Samsung's most affordable OLED TV of the previous year may not be as much of a showstopper as the brand's flagship-level S95F OLED, but it's one of the cheapest ways to lock down an OLED TV. It also comes with a useful array of gaming enhancements and streaming features, making it a terrific value pick. Amazon Fire TV Alexa Voice Remote Pro was $34, now $22 at Amazon. The Alexa Voice Remote Pro is a nice little upgrade for Fire TV users who want a few extra features. It has backlit buttons that light up in the dark, 2 customizable shortcut buttons, and even a remote finder in case it goes missing. It also supports voice control and can handle your TV's power and volume. Blink wired floodlight camera was $99, now $29 at Amazon. If you have the wiring for a floodlight, then Blink's outdoor security camera is worth a look. The HD camera's wide 143-degree field of view captures more of the scene, which is ideal for keeping an eye on cars in your driveway or the land on the side of your home. Meanwhile, its bright, built-in 2,600 lumen LED spotlight scares away threats and provides color night vision for true-to-life vehicle and clothing tones. You can control the lights, siren, and detection settings directly from your phone or Alexa device. Amazon Echo Spot was $79, now $44 at Amazon. The Echo Spot offers a different take on the smart screen format. As well as playing your music and podcasts hands-free, it's also great for quick glances at weather, time, and notifications with a design that fits nicely on any surface. Amazon Echo Show 11 was $219, now $149 at Amazon. The new Echo Show 11 has completely redesigned internals, including front-facing drivers and a custom woofer. It also supports spatial audio, which offers crisper vocals and a wide soundstage for better room-filling audio. The 11-inch Full HD display is paired with a 13-megapixel auto-framing camera that makes video calls feel more natural. Blink Outdoor 2K Plus 5-pack was $349, now $156 at Amazon. The Blink Outdoor 2K Plus is Amazon's newest outdoor security camera. Unlike its predecessor, it now records in 2K video resolution and lets you store video locally or in the cloud. It offers color vision in low light, and it features two-way audio with noise cancellation. With an optional Blink subscription plan, sold separately, you'll also receive smart notifications for person and vehicle detection. Ring Spotlight Cam Plus Solar, $209, now $179. This Ring camera offers protection for your home night and day, with its 1080-pixel video feed, color night vision, and a spotlight that can illuminate its surroundings. This one comes bundled with a solar panel, so you can set it up and charge it with the power of the sun. HP Laptop 15 was $799, now $499 at Amazon. This humble HP laptop won't grab headlines, but it also won't drain your wallet. This notebook has a 15.6-inch display, 16GB of RAM, 256GB of storage, and an Intel N100 processor. If you just need a budget-friendly laptop for the basics, you can't go wrong with this one if your needs are modest. Gigabyte Aero X16W/RTX 5070 was $1,999, now $1,499 at Best Buy. Best Buy tends to offer better laptop deals than Amazon, and here's a good example. This laptop offers RTX 5070 performance for the price of an RTX 5060% laptop, while not ignoring the other specs that make for a good gaming rig. Sharp fluid display, AMD Ryzen AI7 350 CPU, 32GB DDR5 RAM, and a 1TB SSD. Samsung 14-inch Galaxy Book 4 was $1,299, now $849 at Amazon. The Samsung Galaxy Book 4 is part of the line of Copilot Plus PCs, which are designed with several AI-centric features. Slim and sleek from every angle, and sporting a gorgeous design, the Galaxy Book 4 is a mighty laptop, packing Core i7 150U power and stamina that makes the MacBook blush. Dell XPS 13 was $1,499, now $1,199 at Dell. Dell tends to beat Amazon when it comes to Dell deals. This Dell XPS 13 with a Core Ultra 7-256V chip boasts incredible performance in a well-crafted lightweight design. Its bright, 13.4-inch 2K screen, with 120 Hz refresh rate, will make visuals shine. Throw in its 16GB of RAM, 1TB SSD, and exceptional battery life, lasting close to 20 hours, and you have yourself an amazing Copilot plus PC on your hands, especially with this discount. Sony WH-CH520 was $59, now $38 at Amazon. Our Sony WH-CH520 headphones review said these headphones deliver on battery life and performance. They're 360 reality audio compatible for more 3D sound, and you can customize EQ in the Sony headphones app. Although there's no active noise cancelling function, they have built-in mics for hands-free voice and video calls and noise suppression processing to keep your voice sounding clear in noisy environments. They're also rated for up to 50 hours of battery life. Beats Studio Buds Plus was $169, now $99 at Amazon. The Beats Studio Buds are a wonderful little pair of buds, with some big improvements over the last model. 9 hours of battery life is exemplary, extended to 36 hours with the charging case, and they're some of the most comfortable wireless in-ears around. In our Beats Studio Buds Plus review, we gave them 4 stars thanks to their great design and sound. Bose Quiet Comfort Earbuds 2 was $279, now $149 at Amazon. The Bose Quiet Comfort Earbuds 2 take active noise cancellation to the next level. In our Bose Quiet Comfort Earbuds 2 review, we said these buds are a remarkable follow-up to their predecessors, delivering better sound, call quality, and unrivaled ANC. Sound balance and noise neutralization work extremely well, and the battery life is up to 6 hours, with an extra 24 hours via the charging case. Sony WH-CH520 was $399, now $278 at Amazon. The XM5s are Sony's premium noise-cancelling headphones and our pick for the best headphones on the market. The large over-ear cushions are incredibly comfortable, and the active noise cancellation is excellent. Plus, despite ANC being a drain on battery life, these amazing headphones still give you up to 30 hours with ANC enabled. You can push that up to 40 hours of battery life with ANC turned off. Adidas Foundation 6 backpack was $50, now $43 at Amazon. With an eye-catching two-tone design, this Adidas bag can carry a 15-inch laptop and offers a whole host of zippable pockets, as well as space for up to 2 32-ounce water bottles, which makes it ideal for the gym too. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect welder. If you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each welder. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.